Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be introducing you to our heavy-duty battery cable sets. Older vehicles are one of the biggest hurdles that you come to with an older vehicle, especially getting closer to winter, is the condition of your battery cables. A lot of the diagnostic problems that we have and that we see in our shop network is sometimes when you start down the trouble tree of a problem that you're trying to diagnose in a truck, a lot of times batteries and battery connections are overlooked greatly. So given that, we had an opportunity to come out with a set of Thoroughbred Diesel custom battery cables, and this is the product that we have out for you now. So talk about a couple of the features of these battery cable sets. Now, these are going to be platform specific, so we're going to produce these for, this cable set right here is for the 99 to 2003 Super Duty and Excursion Power Strokes. Each one of the sets is going to come with military style battery terminals. These battery terminals are going to have positive and negative denoted on them. And one of the really nice things about these terminals is you're going to have extra lug length on these for the addition of accessories. And what I really like about these terminal styles is at your point of contact of the cable, you're able to access that from, well, from all three sides, depending on where you're at, with a wrench to hold this lug and tighten down the nut for the battery terminal. I think that is a really nice feature. These are really nice terminals, and you'll notice with your factory terminals, and so especially just talk about these Fords in the 7.3 Power Strokes. We know that the wire separates from those lugs, and with the age of the truck, the nuts begin to round off. You have the corrosion that begins to take over the hardware. Several different things. One of the weakest points, even though maybe the cables are still intact and they're still doing their job, even though they're undersized, the terminals are starting to break down. So this gives you the ability to, even when you get through with these terminals, if you're clamping onto these a lot and you need to go to a different style terminal, you can get new terminals and you're off and running. So let's talk about the good stuff. Let's talk about the cables. These are oversized cables, which are going to do a great job in handling the current load and the voltages and everything that's going to go on with a diesel truck, especially in the colder winter months, the amp draws that are going to be on these vehicles. You're not going to have to worry about that. These cables have a lifetime warranty to come with these. These are a 10 pure copper cable. And so just talk about a few of the sizes. So these are 1/0. Most of your negative cables are all 1/0 sized. Each one of these terminals are crimped on. They have got shrink tubing around them. The cables themselves have got a tight loom sheathing around them. The sheathing of the wire itself is a 1500 degree capable sheathing, so just a really nice cable. Each one of the ends is marked for positioning, so you know exactly where it goes. If you just get in there and take all your cables off and then forget where everything goes, don't worry about that. We've got that tagged up for you, ready to go. Now your starter cable, we're really proud of this. This is a 1/0 cable from your battery going down to your starter, so you're getting all of the power that you need to that starter. And then your crossover battery cable, taking your 12 volts from your driver's side battery to your passenger side battery, has factory style mounting points that will go back into your factory style mounting points, and it'll look just like it came from the factory as that. So guys, if you guys are looking to upgrade your cable set on your diesel truck, we definitely suggest you take a look at Thoroughbred Diesel's heavy duty cables. So if you have a question about this or anything else with your diesel truck, just give us a call, and thanks for watching.